In this video, I will show you how to sell Canva templates on Gumroad, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So, selling Canva template on a Gumroad is a popular way to monetize your design skills in 2025. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started creating an account on Canva if you don't already have one. Choose a format like Instagram post, business card, or presentation. Use Canva drag and drop features to design templates that are both customizable and visually appealing. You are the template, the cleaner, well organized, easy to use for buyers. Once you are done, click share and then select the template link under the sharing option. This will allow you to buyer to make a copy of the template into their Canva account. Then create a Gumroad account, head to the Gumroad and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Fill out your bio, upload a profile picture, add a relevant social media or website link, ensure your profile is professional or potential buyer may visit it before purchasing on the dashboard. Click product, then a new product, select digital product. Since you are selling Canva template, give your product a compelling name that clearly describes what the template is set for price. For your template, you can also make it pay what you want to setting a minimum price and letting user to pay more. If they wish you are sharing a Canva template, you will upload a PDF file that contains the template link. In this PDF should instruct the buyer to click on the link of the copy template into their Canva account. You can create this PDF in Canva or any document editor with a short explanation and link to the template. Describe what your template include, how it can be used, or a specific feature. They offer include instruction on how to buy can copy the Canva template to their own Canva account. Upload product image that showcase your template. You can create a mockup and using a Canva itself or service like smart maps. Like make sure the image highlight different aspect of your design before publishing preview. How the product may look. To ensure everything in order to once you are satisfied with your product, click publish. Your product is now live on Gumroad. Share your Gumroad product link on social media, blogs, YouTube, or news sales. Use platforms like Pinterest or Instagram to attract design-oriented audience. Gumroad Sport, PayPal, or direct deposit to your bank Stripe is also available in countries. Make sure your preferred method of receiving method be responsive to customer queries and offer support if they face issues with downloading or using the template. If Canva add new feature, consider you updating your template, offering new version to existing customers, and that's it. You are done.